Good afternoon, candidates. This is for State Bank of India, CBO, and also for Karnataka Bank probationary officers. A candidate asked me today about static banking awareness. So, how do I prepare? So, at that time, that prompted me to go for searching of this in Google, and I got this. This is very good. So, you can go through this Affairs Cloud. So here, what are the point? Say they have given you banking awareness quiz, various banking awareness quiz, important code numbers in banking system, banking awareness abbreviations, banking awareness mergers acquisition, banking awareness abbreviation 1, banking awareness quiz on payment banks, banking awareness quiz on small finance banks, banking awareness quiz on first in India, banking again first in India set 1, banking awareness quiz set 2 to 1. Likewise, so many things they have given, but digital banking. So some of these things you can go through, you can attend and see, that will be helping you. Apart from that, those who are appearing for CBO and Karnataka Bank, it is better to know about the following topics. World Bank. About World Bank, what are the points given? Just go through this and try to know about it. And important points you note down so that you can talk about it in 1 minute about that. You cannot talk for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, only 1 minute. Similarly, International Monetary Fund. What about how many countries are there? What are the points? Who is the chief economist? What are the primary purpose of IMF? Kindly go through IMF help. They help the countries. IMF is doing. Please go through that. Okay. Next comes Bank for International Settlements. Who is the chairperson, general manager? Then how it is working? Bank for International Settlement is working. Unless you read once, twice, you will not understand it. So go through that thoroughly. And next point is New Development Bank, BRICS. You must know about the making of BRICS Bank. KV Kamath was there. I think he has come out. Na? He was the first president. I think he has come out. Somebody else must be in charge. So this Affairs Cloud may be slightly outdated. Not that they are the best, but still, wherever you need to update that, you may have to update that. Go through about BRICS. Similarly, Asian Development Bank. About Asian Development Bank, what is its connection with India? What are the helps they are doing for India? These things you must know. Then coming to banks in India, Central Bank of India, that is Reserve Bank of India. About Reserve Bank of India, what is the central board, constitution, 4 deputy governors, 15 directors, local boards, functions of RBI. These things you know very well. All of you know about it, but still go through that. Okay. But this Bharatiya Reserve Bank note, Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation, NABARD, National Housing Bank, kindly, National Bank for Agriculture Rural Development, kindly go through this thoroughly. Okay, good. Next comes State Bank of India. This no need for referring here because we have that latest annual report itself. We have already studied in detail about that. About commercial banking in India, about commercial bank system in India. You may think why I am not going through this. I can go through unless you want. There is no need for me to go through. Kindly go through these points. And when I ask you questions, I will ask questions from here. Okay. Next, regional rural banks. Setup of regional rural banks. All of you know about it because you are all working in banks. You must know about it. Then cooperative banks. About cooperative banks, urban cooperative banks, then district central cooperative bank, Ananya cooperative bank, whatever it is. Just go through this thoroughly. Then comes Exim Bank of India, about Export Import Bank of India. Get to know about that. I am not going through the details. You must go through, but I will ask questions during interviews. Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India. Please go through this thoroughly. Go through. I am not. There is no point in my reading it. It provides range of credit risk insurance, offers export credit insurance, overseas investment insurance. So many things they are covering. So what is it? Please get to know. ECGC. Then payment banks. This is the latest topic. You must know about guideline for regulation of RBI for payment banks. How does the payment bank works? What is the difference between payment bank and commercial banks? Difference between payment banks and what is that? Small finance bank. So go through about small finance banks also. I think small finance bank, yeah, payment bank. Have they given the names of that one bank which has been closed? Aditya Birla Payment Bank. Yeah, Airtel Payment Bank, Fino, Airtel. Yeah, Aditya Birla has been closed. Okay. Now after that, other things you can know is subsidiaries of RBI. Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran, DICGC. Are they giving some details about it? Yes. Please make use of this, boys and girls. Please make use of this. Then National Bank for Agriculture Rural Development, Housing Bank, Bank Board Bureau, Bank Note Paper Mill India Private Limited, Credit Information Bureau India Limited, Credit Rating Agencies in India. I think they are giving explanation about all these things. Please go through that. It's a good thing. I have not come across this all these days. It's really good. Very good. I will copy this in one of the WhatsApp. What is this? Yeah, just let it be there so that we can read it afterwards. Then micro units development for Mudra Bank, National Payment Corporation, National Automated Clearing House, Non-Banking Financial Company, SEBI, Securities Printing Machine, then Small Industries Development Bank of India, Bharat Bill Payment System, Immediate Payment Service, NEFT, RTGS, BHIM, Bharat Interface Money Application, and then they are telling you about very important things. What is adjusted net bank rate? Various banking terms they are telling. Super. It's a really good one. Please go through this. All about deficits, amortization, depreciation, assets and liabilities of bank, bank assurance, banking e-lobby. That is that extra, outside the banks. You can operate even out of office hours. Banking ombudsman, base year concept. I think base year concept in respect of our DA, some change has taken place. Please go through that Basel Accords, check truncation system, consortium banking was the multiple banking, credit function of banks, cross-selling, upselling, dormant account versus frozen account, external commercial borrowing, foreign investment and Indian stock market, foreign investments FDI versus FPI versus FII. Those who are working in FX section, they must know. Initial public offering in respect of limited companies, inflation, insolvency versus bankruptcy, money laundering, moratorium period versus grace period, mutual funds and its types, Panama Papers. I don't know what is that Panama Papers. Panama Paper is a global investigation which contains a list of persons who use offshore industries. Okay, please go through that in detail. Priority sector lending, update it. I'm not sure whether they have updated it. Update it as on date and then go through that. This is really good one. Then primary security versus collateral security, securities against loan, shadow banking, special drawing rights, special economic zones, Systemically important banks, SBI, ICICI, HDFC. Teaser loan, types of expenditures, what is debt consolidation, para banking activity, important banking finance abbreviations. They have given so many abbreviations, superb. It's a good one. Please go through this. Then banking and financial instrument, check and its types, check versus demand draft, basic savings bank deposit account, demat account, deposit schemes available in NRIs and PIOs, then persons of Indian origin. Then what is this? Different types of bank accounts, electronic clearing service, letter of credit versus bank guarantee, super. Masala bonds, negotiable instruments, participatory notes, types of cards used in banking, then types of prepaid wallet instruments, ULIP, superb. In India, Bank Board Bureau, business correspondent, different codes in banking context, gold monetization scheme, Gyan Sangam, the bankers retreat. Please go through. Minting coins, monetary policies, clean note policy, SARFAESI Act, Indra Dhanush plan for public sector banks, unified payment interface, what is financial inclusion and importance of India, list of mergers and acquisitions. I think it may not be full because latest Bank of Baroda and all, I think it would not have come. Oh, it has come. Good. Excellent. They have given the latest also. Very nice. Please make use of this, boys and girls. It's really useful. So I'm just copying this. It will be of use for us. Yeah. This will be certainly useful for me because anytime, whenever I have to ask question, I can go here and then ask questions. Super. Good, good, good. I have saved that also. In future, somebody wants it, I can give it. That is the reason. So friends, this video, I have not told anything new. But all these days, what is this? Something else is coming. Oh, banking and financial terms. Banking and financial terms. Yeah, how did I miss this? Adjusted net bank credit, bank, all these things we saw. Bank, Acha, I think this I didn't read. Bank assurance. I omitted that. Banking ombudsman and all. Please go through this. Kindly remember this. Affairscloud.com, banking awareness. This is a very useful thing. Kindly go through all these things. In fact, I would suggest if someone among you, please download this, store it as a one document, save it as a file, and kindly share it with me. It will be of great use for me. Excellent. Because sometimes Affairs Cloud may change this, they may remove it also, then we may be put into problems. Please, from here, you download World Bank, you go like this, you download like this. Is it downloadable? No. Oh, we can't download. So no problem, leave it. We will only read it. Okay. So this is what I would like to tell you. This is for State Bank of India, CBO, one officer from Karur Vysya Bank working in Chennai. He was asking me about this after seeing my previous video about using Bankers Adda's book. So that is what is given in that book. Now these are the things available in Affairs Cloud. Club these two, you will become master of this and you can do wonders. Best wishes. Thank you.